Welcome back to the DIYnanny channel. Halloween is over, and if you haven't had a chance to watch my Halloween decoration in the play kitchen video, I'm gonna link it down below. I also managed to make 3 costumes in the last minute, and I made cute shorts video for that as well. But now that that's behind us, it's time for some Thanksgiving. And I know people are already decorating for Christmas and wrapping their presents, but I refuse to skip on holidays. I'm gonna decorate for Christmas when Thanksgiving is over and not a day earlier. Besides, I got so inspired decorating in the play kitchen for Halloween that I thought, what a better way to celebrate Thanksgiving than decorating in the supermarket. Also, when I shopped for Halloween decoration at Target, I found these cute signs, and now I feel like we have to sell apple cider and pumpkin pie in the Play supermarket. So let's start with the food. I found these cute little bottles at IKEA. They are made of glass, but it's only for the season, and also the kids are old enough to be careful with that. I also have some felt for pumpkin pies, and I grabbed this yellow felt as well because I thought maybe I can make some cornbread. So let's begin. Starting with the apple cider, I mixed up some paint to get the perfect color. At the end, I diluted it with water to make it look a bit more clear. Then I adjusted, printed, and cut some labels. And we're done with the apple cider. For the cornbread, I just made a simple design on my design space, then I cut it out of felt and started sewing. I usually do all my sewing on the sofa because it's like here. It's kind of nice to just sit and do it by hand, but look at this cute, tidy cornbread come in. I use lighter colors at the end, but I'm almost done with the first one. I finally got to the pumpkin pie, and there I had some struggle. The first one, I sewed the bottom, then I stretched the top a little bit, and I wanted to roll it backwards to make a little rim like from the dough, but it came out so wobbly, and I think I didn't fill it enough as well, so it doesn't look so nice, but I'm still gonna use it. I'm gonna fix it up with some whipped cream, and we're gonna call it the gluten-free option. So I definitely learned from my mistake, and this time I added support inside and also decided to add the decoration dough at the end to make it more of a clean look. That's the beauty of crafting. You just learn from your mistakes and you get better. Alright, now that we're done with the food, let's make some decorations. I got these flowers from Michael's. Everything was 75% off because everyone is decorating for Christmas already. I'm gonna make a cute bouquet out of it and maybe put some around. I got this tiny wreath that is a perfect size for a place supermarket because it's small. And I'm maybe gonna make some felt flowers to put around. And I do have some small pumpkins that I got from Target when I was getting some Halloween decorations. A little tip on Cricut Design Space is to make a replica of the item you're working on, and then everything just fits perfectly. Here I'm making a design of the flowers and the leaves, and then all is left is to cut it and glue it. Initially, when I got those flowers, I intended for them to be decoration only, but then I thought, hey, it's a supermarket, we can sell flowers. And I had those cellophane bags in my house, and we had this little can that we use as a garbage can in our play kitchen. So it was perfect. And with that, I am done with Thanksgiving in the supermarket. Let's go check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my content, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.